What is up, Plastic Addicts? Pretty plain video here, just a Shuttle Tydirium unboxing. I found this at the local hobby shop, and it was a great find. Take a look at the instructions. There's not a lot of parts, as you'll see when I open the bags. Instructions are pretty straightforward. Bold choice on my part here, not to really show it to the screen, but I guess we'll talk about that later. And we've got a translucent smoked base, not much to say about that, and the smoked windshield, and the parts bag, which is only 3 very large sprues. I wasn't sure what to expect with this model. I just saw it and thought I immediately had to pick it up as I kind of get into more Star Wars. So this kind of stymied me a little bit until I realized that 2 of the sprues were actually attached together, so give that a little snippy snip and separate these parts so we can actually start looking at them. These are big sprues. Once again, I'm actually quite surprised with this. Now we can get a sense of the scale. So this is what is this like? Why is this in metric? This is a fairly big cutting mat, but you can see the knife and my hands for scale there to see just how big this kit actually is. And yeah, the rest of the sprues are just wings and assorted greeblies. So this is going to be large. It's going to be interesting, I think, to put this together. I did see a build somewhere, might have been Hobby Link International. I'll check it out. Someone built this, pardon me, and added some lighting. So I'm going to follow up that and see what's what. So yeah, we got the pieces back in the box here. Don't know when I'm going to get to this, but it's currently in the stash. And yeah, I'm looking forward to making not a complete switch, but trying some more Star Wars just so I can kind of, you know, expand my skills, especially doing weathering. That's always a lot of fun. Anyway, hope you like this, and I will see you when I see you.